Must-see well-cared-for home on the north side of Oshkosh. Perfect 3-bedroom home with an updated bathroom and main floor laundry. Newer garage big enough for all of your cars and storage. This home has an incredible family room with high ceilings and an electric fireplace. Nicely done kitchen and dining area make the main level a treat for everyone in the home. Check out all of the updates on the attached documents. Home is pre-inspected and home warranty included. See attached documents. Home exterior is permastone.